the Corner Mosquito Bucket Hack. This is the most popular mosquito control preventative option on the internet. This is how it works. You get 4 buckets. You fill all 4 buckets up, each halfway with water. Then you sprinkle in a mix of yard grass, wood mulch, sticks, debris, and leaves. And the final ingredient, mosquito bits, in each bucket. Once you have your buckets made, you want to put 1 bucket in each corner of your yard. How it works is the mosquitoes lay their larvae in the water. With the bits being there, it should easily break up that larvae with that bacterium, and there you go, no more mosquitoes. Now here's my take on this DIY mosquito hack. Now I've had a lot of customers who've tried this hack, but here's the problem. You have to be consistent in your application of the bits in each bucket to get control. If you somehow tend to forget to do it, this thing can easily go from mosquito prevention to mosquito heaven. And that's the opposite of what you want. What I typically recommend is utilizing a bi-weekly mosquito service, eco-friendly, to go along with this. Working with a pro to get better results.